How to fix Xero error code 500. 5 quick solutions. Solution 1, clear cache files. Step 1, open Google Chrome on your computer and click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the screen. Step 2, click on More Tools and select Clear Browsing Data. Step 3, in the Clear Browsing Data window, set the time range to all time. Step 4, select Cached Images and Files under the Basic tab. Step 5, click on Clear Data. Solution 2, update Google Chrome. Step 1, open Google Chrome on your computer and click the ellipsis icon. Step 2, select Help and click on About Google Chrome. Step 3, Google Chrome will check for updates and automatically download it. Step 4, when the update is finished, click on Relaunch. Step 5, open the Xero website and then log into the app to check if the error is resolved. Solution 3, restart the computer. Step 1, click on Windows Start menu and select the power button. Step 2, click on the restart option. Step 3, wait for the device to restart. Solution 4, try another browser or device. Step 1, visit the Xero official site, add on another browser. Step 2, log into the Xero account. Step 3, if you still get the same error, try logging in from another device. Solution 5, log into Xero account again. Step 1, if you are logged into Xero through bookmarks in the browser, try refreshing your session. Step 2, to refresh the session, click Log Out at the top of the screen. Step 3, enter your credentials on the login page, click Login and check if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548 150.